How to Make Earrings by Renea Stewart. You will need long nose pliers, round nose pliers, and side cutters. I will be using 39mm flat shell beads, 11mm acrylic beads, 8mm round beads, $6mm faceted glass beads, and 4mm bicone beads. 3-inch head pins, $10mm jump rings, earring hooks, you will then need to add the 6mm faceted glass bead to the head pin, and then slide the head pin halfway through the 39mm shell bead. At this point, you will need to slide the round bead onto the head pin and then push it all the way through. You will then need to add your bicone, faceted, and acrylic beads. You will then need to add one faceted bead. You will then need to use round nose pliers to make a loop on the head pin. You will need to bend it to the right and then curve back. Now, sometimes this can be a little complicated, but you'll need to turn it until you have a loop. Now, don't get dismayed when you get to this part of the process. I had to practice, and practice again to get it right. Just keep trying. Now you will need to add your 10 millimeter jump ring and then the earring wire. You will need to use your long nose pliers to open the jump ring. And then add the earring hook. Now you will need to use your long nose pliers to close the gap and to align the ends of the jump ring. Now this part can be a little tricky. You will just need to work at it until you get those ends straight. And even then, sometimes you may need to go back and straighten it because it may be a little bit crooked. Now you will need to repeat the same steps with the next earring. Thank you so much for watching.